Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the exact facts. This saves time. Have your PSN email and online ID ready, as well as the console serial and any purchase transaction ID. Write down the ban date and the error code you see. This narrows the reason. Collect screenshots, chat logs, and receipts so you can show what happened. Those items make your case concrete. Once done, move on to contacting PlayStation with these documents ready to reference. You now contact PlayStation support and authenticate immediately. They will ask for PSN, console serial, and recent payment details. Explain the situation clearly. Give the ban code, describe the incident, and reference your evidence so they understand why you dispute it. Ask for the exact policy violated and the steps to appeal. This moves the conversation from complaint to process. If the phone route isn't resolving things, open a support case online and keep the ticket number for follow-up. You finish by following every instruction PlayStation gives, upload requested documents, and adhere to any stated review timelines. Make sure to check the support ticket daily and record each interaction. Dates, names, and promised deadlines matter. If you don't hear back within the communicated timeframe, escalate politely by requesting supervisor review and repeat your organized evidence. One troubleshooting tip. If responses stall, ask for the case ID and request a written reason for denial so you can prepare a more specific appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.